very good morning. You're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Divya Vada. We have a whole lot lined up for you over the next 1 hour, including, let's just get you visuals from Mumbai. A traffic jam on account of the rain situation. Railway tracks have also been affected. We'll get you all the details as far as Mumbai. That's come to a standstill because 300 millimeters of rainfall has been recorded. That and a whole lot more. But first, the headlines. Prime Minister will begin his two-day visit in Russia this afternoon. He will be arriving. This is his first visit to Russia since the Ukraine war. Rahul Gandhi will be visiting Manipur today. This is his first visit after Congress's big win in Manipur, and he will be meeting the families of those affected by the violence that's been inflicted in the state. Heavy rain has led to severe waterlogging. Suburban and harbour line trains have been delayed. Stations affected included CST, Kurla, Vikhroli as well as Bhanda. A 45-year-old woman has been killed in Worli in a car accident. It's Shinde Sena leader Rajesh Shah who has been arrested as his son is believed to be behind the wheels of that BMW that struck a couple that was on a scooter. NDTV's exclusive. We are talking about Kanpur celebrating the world champion Kuldeep Yadav, while rockstar welcome for Ardish Singh in Mohali. They are celebrating the homecoming of the champions. Let's get your top story, and that's coming in from Mumbai, where heavy rain has led to severe waterlogging. Suburban and harbour line trains have been delayed. Stations affected include CST, Kurla, Vikhroli and Bhandup. Tracks have been flooded in Mumbai. Mumbai waking up to waterlogging, and the Central Railway has been restored. The local train services between Kalyan and Kasara station at a restricted speed. That is what is the message that's been put out on X by the Central Railways, talking about how the disruption has taken place due to heavy rain. Inconvenience is completely regretted, but moderate rainfall is expected in Mumbai, Thane and Palghar. Heavier showers expected in Raigad. We have my colleague Radhika joining us. Radhika, monsoon mayhem, a perennial problem that we see in Mumbai. When Mumbai comes to a standstill, train services have been resumed in some areas, though we are seeing visuals on our screens as far as the traffic situation is concerned. So whether it's road, rail, even air traffic to be impacted because of the kind of rainfall that has been recorded over the last 24 hours. Take us to the areas which are impacted the worst.
That's right. It had been raining heavily since late last night, still about this morning. Rains have reasonably subsided now, but it's going to pick up pace in some time is the prediction. So heavy rains across Mumbai leading to waterlogging in several parts of the city. As far as the waterlogged areas are concerned, these are mostly low-lying areas in Kurla as well as Parel that have been heavily waterlogged. Sion, Matunga also affected. And also Andheri subway. Most of the subways have also been impacted as a result of the downpour. And this has caused traffic jams. It's a Monday morning. People are out to, go to their work places. Therefore, they are witnessing traffic jams and disruption of local train services between many stations, be it, in Kalyan Kasara section or any of the other central railway sections. There has been delays as well as cancellation that has been witnessed. In fact, moderate to heavy rainfall is going to continue to lash Mumbai throughout Monday, and there is going to be likelihood of thunderstorms at night also. So that is the prediction. Local train services between Kasara, Titwala stations suspended after trees fell on the track due to thunderstorms. In fact, soil came on tracks between several stations as well, disrupting train services on these very, very busy tracks. Train services will have, some of the train services have resumed, some are still delayed, and there are long distance train cancellations also that are being witnessed. So train services affected at Sion and between Bhandup and Nahur stations, rainwater seen above the tracks. So trains were stopped for nearly 1 hour. And now the water has receded in many of the tracks, so therefore the services have resumed. But waterlogging witnessed in many of the parts. However, if the situation continues, all the rains have subsided now. But if it starts pouring again, then it will become difficult for commuters and people living in Mumbai.
Radhika, of course, when we talk about the local train, that's considered the lifeline as far as Mumbai is concerned, and over 30 lakh commuters use the local train every day in order to commute and find their way as far as Mumbai is concerned. Take us through, visuals on our screen. Also, traffic has been impacted. There's a complete mayhem when we talk about the monsoon fury. A problem that we see every year. What is the solution to this problem? Why no lessons learned whatsoever?
That's right. It just takes a small downpour in Mumbai, small showers in Mumbai for the city to come to a standstill, and something we've been witnessing every year as a result of course, rampant construction, and encroachments across the city of Mumbai. It has led to, rain mess, and that is something that we see every monsoon. Yes, train services getting affected, life of a common man getting affected due to rains. As a result of traffic congestion, it becomes difficult for commuters to move from one place to another. In fact, 300 rainfall was witnessed last night between 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. And that has, in a sense, brought the city to a standstill. Of course, people are just waking up to waterlogged roads. People are just starting to go to their workplaces. Since it has subsided for the last half an hour or so, and if it continues to be this, then perhaps things may become better for people here. But if it starts raining again, as per prediction, then it is going to be difficult. And as you mentioned, yes, this is, a scene every year. This is something that we are witness to every year. The fact that both Central Railway and Western Railway trains services get crippled, and the fact that there are delays and cancellations of not just long distance train but also of local trains have been bringing the entire city to a standstill. And of course, the BMC on their part have also been giving promises and guarantees, saying that all the desalination work has been done and pre-monsoon work is carried out. However, that's not the situation on the ground as commuters and residents continue to suffer.
Right, 300 millimeters of rainfall in a matter of 6 hours. Basically, it's rain in 6 hours. The amount it should have rained over 30 days. It rains about 10 millimeters a day during the monsoon season in the month of July. And here we are seeing a month's rain that has been accumulated over 6 hours, which has led to waterlogging and inconvenience that's been caused to the commuters in Mumbai. So, Mumbaikas, a word of warning and a word of caution. Take a look at the visuals on your screen of the kind of mayhem that we are seeing as far as the monsoon situation is concerned. Try and stay indoors as much as possible. The rain forecast says moderate rainfall expected today, so it's going to be lighter in comparison to the kind of rainfall that's been recorded over the last 24 hours. And over the 9th and 10th, rainfall is going to be light as far as the city of Mumbai is concerned.